Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Wayne. I'm the owner of Go2Guy Digital Printing Solutions. So this is an introduction episode, and in this episode I would like to talk to you about why I decided to start a YouTube channel. And the other thing I want to talk about also will be what the channel will be about. So the reason why I'm starting this YouTube channel is it's been something that's been on my mind for a while now. They say it's better to teach and to give out the information than to keep all the information to yourself, and that's what I've already been doing. I've been giving friends advice about business, and they actually started a business. Two of them I can remember. Chatted with them, and then afterwards they started working on the business. I remember the one was he wanted to wait for everything that's perfect, and I told him, no, you don't wait for everything till it's perfect. Rather start it and work till it's perfect, because there's so a lot of work. There's no such thing as waiting till it's perfect, because the time will never be perfect. So because of that, one or two friends told me, why don't you just do something on TikTok, or do something educational. And I'm not really a big fan of TikTok, and not just that, I'm also a bit of a I'm not the type of person that want to put myself out there, but in today's world, people want to see the face behind the business. So I myself actually had to get out of my comfort zone, and this is way outside of my comfort zone. So that's been on my mind for a while, and then finally, due to a friend starting his YouTube channel a couple of weeks ago, and me and him chatting, and then that's when I decided, well, I think now is the best time to start the channel. And that's when I just started creating the channel, and just created a post, say I'll be uploading from February, just to give myself more time and more time to practice. And the reason why I started, because my friend started, is because it's always best to do something in two. So because that way we can bounce ideas from each other, we can give advice to each other, and that's what's actually happening now. So yeah, so if he needs some editing advice, or whatever tips it may be, and whatever tips I also need, or whatever I advise, I would talk to him, because he is basically in the same boat as I am. So the main thing I want to talk to you guys about is what the channel will be about. So the channel will be an educational one. It will be for those who already have a sublimation printing business, t-shirt printing business, and for those who want to start their own business. So for those who want to start their own business, I will be talking about the ins and outs about the trade. I will give advice of what equipment you need, what type of softwares you need to get started, and also the type of mindset and what to expect in the future. I'm also planning on doing interviews, and already got one lined up, and then there are a couple of small business owners that I still need to contact, and hopefully they will be interested in doing this interview with me. So to the small business owner, I trust that this channel will bring value to you and your business, and to the potential business owners, hopefully this channel will inspire you to start your own business. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and when subscribing, make sure to click on the bell icon, so that as soon as a new video is uploaded, you'll get the instant notification. Thank you for watching.